Hello, my name is Peter and I'm the trainer here at Evolio, and today we'll be covering the CMS tool called Promotions. So now to add a promotion, all you have to do is go under the CMS tab and then select Promotions. Now what you should see is the promotions that are currently displayed on your site, and to add a promotion, simply click on Add Promotion here on top. Now we're ready to add a promotion on your website. Now, the first step would be to select a department, therefore which department that you want to create that promotion in, or which section of your website. In this case, we have administration, parts, financing, new vehicles, used vehicles, body shop, and aesthetics. In today's example, we'll be using new vehicles. And then once you selected new vehicles, you'll have new cars. You can add a vehicle. Add one or more vehicles. So here you have your list of vehicles. If we scroll down, you can see all the different model types of the dealership. In this case, we'll be using a Elantra. So you can select more than one vehicle if you wanted to, but in this case, we'll simply select the Elantra and then click on OK. Now for used vehicles, same process. However, you have your used car inventory that shows up. So if you want to do more than one vehicle, you can always select more than one vehicle. Well, once again, we'll go back to new vehicles and keep that Elantra. Now if I scroll down, content. This is where you can actually put in the content, other images, or even text that you want to associate with this promotion. Now choose language. You can select which side of your website. If you have English and French, which is recommended, therefore a bilingual website, I'd recommend working on both sides of the website at the same time. But in this example, we'll only use the English side. As you can see here, the French side fades out. Now we'll concentrate on the English side. Now to add your default image for your promotion, just click on the plus sign. And there's two ways to add an image. You can go straight from a URL, therefore an image that exists already on the web, or select an image straight from your computer, which we'll do. And then since we're doing a promotion on an Elantra, let's select the Elantra, click on Open. So this gives you your image. If you want, you can always select a specific area of the image that you want to use in your promotion. In this case, we'll select just the vehicle and then click on Save. So this is our default image. Now if we scroll down, now we can put in a title, since this is the only required field in the title section. So let us go get a title. And I will put in a subtitle as well. Usually something descriptive that describes your vehicle. And then details. This is optional. You can always add a detail section, which we will do. This is a good place to put in additional text or content on your website. So I will go get some content. And then in the content area, you can always add additional links, images, or even insert a video. Now to insert a link example, we will simply click on Insert Link, and then it'll ask you what kind of text that you want to use. So in this case, I want to create a link that sends the client to the information page on my website of that vehicle. So let's go to our website. Let's go to New Vehicles, and let's go to the Hyundai Elantra. So I want to send the client to this page where they have the price and different options as well. So now all I need now is the URL of this page. Copy. Go back to our CMS tool. And then where it says link to, this is where we paste in the URL and then simply type out the link text. So let's say Click here to see more information on the Hyundai Elantra. At this point, this text is now clickable and will send the client to this URL. So we can click on OK, and then we can continue. Now, if we want to add, let's say, an additional image, just click on Insert Image. And once again, you can take the URL of an image that exists already on the web, or simply select one from your computer, which we will do. In this case, I will take an interior, click on Open, and this is the interior that we will be using. So if you want to select a specific area that you want to use, let's say from side mirror to side mirror, and then click on Save. And then if I scroll down, this is an additional image that the client can actually view. Now if I want to add a video now, just click on Insert a Video. And it tells you here, video URL from YouTube or Vimeo. So what you need now is the URL or address of where that video exists. In this example, we'll use YouTube as a site. So we go to YouTube, search for a 2013 Elantra. Let's say Hyundai Elantra. And let's go to this review. Let's say this is the review that we want to use. So now if we want to share this, just have to go to Share, and then this is the URL that you can use. Now all you have to do is copy it, go back to the CMS tool, and paste in the URL of that video, and then click OK. And then we're done. We have all the necessary information that we want in our details section. We can now continue on to the next section. Now, call to action button. This is a call to action button that you can create on the website in that promotion. In other words, these are the titles of the call to action button. Request more information, I'm interested, or you can create your own. In essence, what it does, it creates a form that the client has to fill out, therefore leaving their name, telephone number, and email address, which is all sent into an email at the dealership. Now in this case, I will simply select I'm interested. Any legal text you might have, this is where you would paste it in or write it out. Now I will retrieve some legal text and paste it into this section. Now our legal text is done and we're ready to publish. Now there's an additional option here as featured, which means that this promotion will be a featured promotion and it will show up on top of all your promotions. Therefore, take precedence over all your other promotions. And now to publish it, just simply select Publish or Save as Draft, which means that it will be saved in the system and not be published on your website. If you want to publish it right away, simply select Publish. And you can actually select publishing dates, which is your starting dates and your expiration dates. If you want to select a publishing date, which could be a future date, in this case we'll select today at 9 a.m. and then click on Save. And then your expiration date, we will edit that for the end of the month until 9 p.m., which is the closing hours of most dealerships. And then click on Publish. So now we have the Hyundai Elantra, which is published. And we also get that confirmation note on top, which is the Elantra. The 2013 Elantra promotion has been added successfully. Now to view that online, just simply go to your site, go to your promotions section, and you will see the Elantra right here. If you want to learn more, just open up the promotion itself, and then you have all the necessary or all the information you entered in that promotion. You also have this link, additional image, and also the video that we added in. If you do put in links, make sure you test them out. So click here to see more information on the Hyundai Elantra 2013. And then as you can see, it sends us to the Hyundai Elantra page. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name once again is Peter, and my phone number is 1-888-474-2886, extension 240. And I bid you all a great day.